Well, sworn in, suspended, and now the state waits for a possible resignation. This is a Channel 5 News update. Tonight, former District Judge Rudy Delgado has some options concerning his spot on the bench of a state appeals court. Channel 5's Valerie Gonzalez explains what lies ahead for him and the court itself.
Delgado signed this statement yesterday after taking the oath of office. It's standard practice. It reads, "I, Rodolfo Delgado, do solemnly swear or affirm that I have not directly or indirectly paid, offered, promised to pay, contributed, or promised to contribute any money or thing of value, or promised any public office or employment for the giving or withholding of a vote at the election at which I was elected, or as a reward to secure my appointment or confirmation, whichever the case may be, so help me God." Shortly after this signing, the State Commission on Judicial Conduct took action. By early afternoon, the commission voted to suspend Delgado from that seat without pay based on a federal indictment accusing him of taking bribes and violating the Travel Act in his previous job in the 93rd District Court. This keeps Delgado from serving on the 13th Court of Appeals. Technically, he still holds the office, though. Eric Vincent of the State Commission on Judicial Conduct told us what must happen next.
And if he is found guilty of those charges or pleads guilty to those charges, then he'll be removed from the position automatically. He'll essentially be disqualified by operation of law.
The other option would be for the newly elected judge to resign. Channel 5 News confirmed with the office of the governor that Delgado had not submitted a letter of resignation as of this afternoon. That letter of resignation is required in order to consider the job vacant and have the office of appointment fill the vacancy. Right now, the office of Place 4 on the 13th Court of Appeals is still occupied by Delgado, even though he is suspended. During this time, the 13th Court of Appeals Chief Justice Dory Contreras tells us two things can happen. Other appellate judges from that court can absorb the caseload, or a visiting judge can be appointed. In the studio, Valerie Gonzalez, Channel 5 News at 10.
A note to Valerie's report, if Delgado is found not guilty or charges are dismissed, the Texas Judicial Commission's suspension could be reversed. Delgado is due in court for his trial next month.